Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to change color of a text in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got 3 paragraphs here. The first one is having a color of red, the second one is having color of blue, and third one is having color of green. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, which is style.css. We need 3 paragraph elements here. They will have some random text like this. Let's give it a class of red text. Now just copy this and paste it 2 times like this. Let's make it green. Let's make it blue. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Now here we'll select the paragraph element. Give it a border of 1 pixel solid black. Width will be 90%. Font size will be 18 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. Margin will be 20 pixel and auto. Just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. To change the color of a text, you simply need to use the color property. So let's go to CSS file. Here we'll select the red text class first and change the color to red. Just copy and paste it. Here let's make it blue. Same logic goes here. Color will be blue. Here it will be green. Same goes here. Now just save it and go to the browser. And that's the output. So whenever you want to change the color of a text, you can use color property. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.